Hey everyone, I went to Target's, which I normally don't do, but I'm not sure why I went to Target, but I had some extra time, so I thought I'd pop in there and look at their, what's it called, that center that they have? It's like a dollar spot, but it's like anywhere from $1 to $5 or $10, but they had some cute stuff for DIYs. They really did. First of all, they had this wooden little tier, and of course it spins around, which, how cute, I mean, that's cute. Let me see if I can, I don't know if you can see it, but I will show you. But I think this is great. You don't have to use it for a DIY. You don't have to use it in the kitchen. You could put your makeup on it. You could do different things with this, but I think it was $5. Yep, $5, and it's really cute. There we go. How cute is that? And it's made out of wood, which makes it even nicer. This video is going to be short but sweet, but you're going to love everything I got. Okay, the other thing is they have these risers, and these were made out of wood too. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to open it up maybe. Let me see. Yeah. These are, you know, you can paint these. You can put them, paint them red, black, any color you want. But they're cute little risers when you do your decorations. Look how cute these are. They are. And I probably will paint some red for Christmas maybe. But they're risers that you put in the back of your, you know, decorations so that you can see all the pieces. And here's one that's a little bit shorter. 2 different sizes. You can see, she'll flip them a little bit and you'll see the different sizes. And yeah, just flip them forward so they can see the round, the other way, hun. Yeah, that way you can see the different sizes. So that was cute, I thought. Tell you what, Target is getting, you know, great for us crafters, so I love that. All right, the next thing was these other risers, and these, you get 3 of them for $5. And as you can see, yeah, these are cute too. You can paint these.
Those are cute.
This is just, I love that Target did this. I don't go to Targets all the time, but every now and then I do pop in there. I'm trying to think why we were going in there. I was going in there with my son, and he was looking for something, I think. Zechariah, I can't remember. He was looking for something. Anyway, how cute is this? There's 3 of them for $5. That is a steal.
They're nice and heavy too.
And I couldn't pass up these cute little animals that they decorated for Christmas, and they're so cute. Look at these. Here is a little deer. Look, he's got a little plaid bow on, and they're on little stands. I thought, how cute are these?
This guy's so cute.
He is. So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
Show it again because it's really cute.
So
it
cute.
Really went by really fast so they can see it. Yeah. Maybe show it this way so you can see the size. Yeah.
So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
And look, they had, no, I have to show you this one. This one's really cute. They have a bear.
I love that bear.
And, you know, for those of you that have a CRICUT, you know, you can put Merry Christmas on it, you know, or ho, 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 or look how cute he is.
I love this guy.
Isn't he cute?
I love bears, though.
Yeah. So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
And you can decorate them. You know, you can paint them, decorate them. You could use your CRICUT to put words on them. You can do some clings on there too, I'm sure. The last one, look, it's a little squirrel, and he's got this little acorn. How cute is he?
So cute.
So cute.
So cute.
And this was short but sweet. That was Target. So if you would hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like. Oh my God, we love you. Please do. We need some more viewers. Most of these people have tens of thousands of viewers. We have a few. And we appreciate every one of you. We really do. Love you. Take care.